is Anna Cichecka. I am an assistant professor at the Institute of Sociology, Faculty of Social Sciences, University of Wrocław, and I coordinate the program Applied Social and Intercultural Studies. I'm also intercultural trainer, and in my research I'm focused on African studies with a particular attention to Anthropocene, women's movements and socio-political situation in East African region. Applied Social and Intercultural Studies is a program that is about post-colonial perspective on globalization that helps to understand interculturalism from a broader perspective, that shows how the world is interconnected and that shows that interculturalism is not a separate soft topic but something that is deeply rooted in the ongoing challenges and in current socio-political situation. We live in a world that is more connected than ever, but full of tensions and inequalities. And we felt that there was a need for a program which not only explains these processes, but also prepares students to work in them. And we thought that interculturalism is not a separate topic, but it is connected with globalization, with migration, with gaps between global north and global south. And that's how we created Applied Social and Intercultural Studies. Today, intercultural competence is not just about being open and tolerant. It means also understanding of power hierarchy, inequalities, and differences, gaps between global north and global south. That's why students in the program learn how to deconstruct main discourses, how to apply differentiated theoretical frameworks, and how to see the problems from different perspectives. And this is the way they learn about interculturalism, and this is the way they get intercultural skills. Diversity changes everything in the classroom because students who come from different countries bring different opinions, different way of thinking, different perspectives, and they have very differentiated background in terms of systems of education. So basically it creates a very specific atmosphere and a space where learning happens not only from lecturers but also from the students, and we can teach each other. Students learn about theories, of course, but they also learn how to analyze complex social situations. They develop very strong communication skills, and they gain the ability to design solutions and to respond to real social challenges and problems. Our graduates can work in many different sectors because these skills are quite transferable. So we see them in non-governmental organizations, in international organizations, in public institutions, but also in private companies. Basically, everywhere where people, culture and social change is important. Perfect candidate for Applied Social and Intercultural Studies is a person who is interested in social sciences, who is interested in globalization, migration and current challenges and problems. This should be a person who is also passionate about cultures, interculturalism, but understood not only as a soft topic and as a separate topic, but a person who sees that interculturalism is an important part of our world. Many English language programs at different universities offer Eurocentric perspective on the ongoing socio-political reality. Applied Social and Intercultural Studies gives very broad perspective, deeply rooted in post-colonial theory, that helps to see the world from a broader angle and to understand better current geopolitical situation.